If you've decided to close your Airbnb account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find account deactivation. In account settings, look for the option labeled Privacy or Account Management. Here, you should find an option to deactivate or close your account. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account and confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, you will receive a confirmation message. Ensure that you receive this confirmation to verify that your account has been successfully closed. Once you have completed these steps, your Airbnb account will be deactivated. If you change your mind in the future, you can always create a new account.